Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and with me is Guido Terreni, the CEO of
Parmigiani Fleurier.
You know that already. Of course, you have seen Guido before. And Guido and me are going to present you a very rare watch. Only 25 pieces are made.
Only 25 pieces, yes.
And it is another evolution in the Tonda PF collection, of course.
Tonda PF collection. It is a Flying Tourbillon, and it's a limited edition in platinum that brings the discretion at the highest level.
Wow. So don't go away. Huh? We go away because we are going to disappear out of your screen because the watch will be the star. You ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So Guido, as we announced, now the watch is the star, and yeah, tell me a little bit about your new latest evolution of the Tonda PF Tourbillon.
Well, last year we introduced a chrono in platinum on a limited edition of 25 pieces for the 25th anniversary, which was extremely interesting and well received and sold out. So this year we are extending this creativity with tourbillon, a flying tourbillon with a micro-rotor automatic winding. It's just 8.5 millimeters, and it is bringing the discretion of the collection to the highest level. This is a fully platinum built watch because you have a case in platinum, you have a bracelet in platinum, and also the dial, which is extremely understated, is done only in platinum. Here you have the full philosophy of the aesthetic with the small markers that are across the two levels of the sandblasted platinum. It's just platinum with no other treatment than a bombardment of small beads of ceramic, and the smaller the beads are, the whiter the dial is, and it's extremely matte, screwed crown, 100 meter water resistance, so it respects the technical specs of all the collection. So just 25 happy owners will enjoy this beauty.
For me, Guido, this is kind of a fitness exercise to hold the watch into the camera. It is platinum, pure platinum, and it's heavy. How heavy is it? Do you know that?
It's 280 grams.
280 grams.
I had the same question before, and we weighted on the coffee machine, where we weighed the balance of beans of coffee.
Yeah, Guido is Italian, and imagine that here you get the best coffee of Watches and Wonders. He has engaged a barista.
Absolutely.
And the guy really makes some coffee. Wow! And Guido has some of the best Chardonnay I've ever been tasting.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, incredible. But shall we name the manufacturer?
They're not paying me, so it's a Tasca del Merita Chardonnay Barricato. I'm from Sicily.
Okay, just in case you were able to copy the name, go and buy it. I will keep it here as a secret. Guido, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
To present us the watch. Very nice. I'm really excited what you're doing.
Thank you.
You're bringing some excellent, you're bringing new fresh air into Parmigiani, and I think the brand deserves it.
Thank you so much.
Well done, well done.
Thank you.
Grazie mille.
Grazie a te.
Thank you. Thanks, guys, for watching the video about this beautiful flying tourbillon you see here. Questions, comments, etc. You know where to put them in the comment section, of course. Thanks for watching the video as always with WatchAdvisor on YouTube. Stay tuned. There's much more to come. Bye-bye from Geneva.